Hey guys, how's it going? Today is the 29th. Welcome to the recap. Let's go over the overall market. So let me just pull up the chart for that real quick. So let's do that real quick. SPY, let's open up SPY. And if we see it kind of tanked today, right? Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Yeah. So yesterday, it gapped up, but today couldn't sustain it. It just, it crashed. I'm not sure, maybe some news came out or maybe people are just taking profit, right? So definitely it broke this low of day here and then broke this and then that was it. So if we look at the daily chart real quick, and definitely, strong red bar right here, but the volume is still light. So, and just like I mentioned yesterday, this is kind of like expected, a bit choppy just because we're in the holidays right now. So maybe as things get better, when the year starts, so maybe volume picks up. So there's a key thing, right? One, there's volume. And then I also think that there's also clean volume as well. So look for that. Clean volume means more like your patterns are working out, this and that. So that's what I mean by that. So watch out for that. So let's go over the watch list for the day. Let me pull up. So my scanner today, I was watching TENX KOSS GBR IMTE IRIX as well. So, but there's one trade on IRIX that I actually missed, which was very solid. Let me pull that up. I didn't take it, but I missed it. That was just too late on it. I just want to show you still. So the trade was going to be for the break of this $3 right here. Let me see something. Yeah, break of this right here, this whole dollar. And yeah, it took off from there. The reason why I liked it is it was right around WeWap area and the whole dollar as well. So that would have been definitely like a good trade. Solid. So that was that. I didn't take, but overall, some of the stocks, like I think UUU was the one that was the gapping the most. And if we pull that up, it actually opened up, right? Went up, it got halted, came back down, halted, and opened up all the way at 8. So if you're the one that bought around this area, you lost about $4 a share. So this is why it's very important to make sure that you're not chasing anything. If you're chasing, this can happen. Sure, maybe 1 out of 10 stock may go up, but there's a lot more that do this. So if you took that trade on the top, I'm sorry. That's all I can say. But this is trading. This is how it works. So either you learn or you get eaten out, right? Oh, excuse me. I just had some coffee. So yeah, you have to learn. If not, this is what's going to happen. So, all right. So overall today I traded again, MOSY, TENX, OXBR. I am up $263 today, which is solid. So let's go over some trades. So I want to show you maybe TNX. Let me see if I can find a better one. MOSY. I kind of reacted late, so that's why I didn't get fill 100% on my share, which was for the break of like 262, which was around this area right here, right? I was watching this area right here, again, right below WeWap. And I didn't get filled all the way. I reacted late. So I got 500 shares, but even then I sold that at 270, like one. But it went pretty crazy after that. So that was one trade that I can show, right? TENX, let me see if I can find something on TENX. I took the trade at 252 and got out at 258. So which was probably around this area right here. Yeah. Wait, was it? This, I think I had, let me double check. Oh yeah, it was this area right here actually. 250, wait, so 254. So I took two trades. One trade was around that area right here, right? And the other trade was around 252. So this is the second trade I took, which is for the break of this 233 spot, and then sold some on the way up. But it was on this side right here, not on that side. This side right here, break of this 233, and it sold some on the way up, as you can tell right here. Got it at 233, got out at 238. And then I had one early in the day for the break of 252, which was around this part right here, for the break of this 250 right here. And I had sold some on the way up. Obviously didn't sustain, so I got out. So that was that. And then OXBR, not much to show there. OEG, not much to show there as well. But let me just pull up the chart. Yeah, OEG, I was looking for this 90 break. It happened. I got out a little bit early. I thought I was gonna like tap this area and then fail, but I actually did pretty well. So I got in at 90, which is around 190, got out 191. I thought I was gonna top it at 192, but hey, you can't catch the entire move. So, and that's okay. I don't want to catch the entire move because I don't know what's gonna be the top or down, right? I can only analyze that based on the chart. So that's what I like doing. For me, that works. Yeah, overall, a good day today, good momentum as well. $263 I'm up today. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully tomorrow is good momentum and the day after. And let's finish this, week strong. So that's it for me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. That helps me out, helps out the channel. And I will see you guys tomorrow.